Please note that it is important to thoroughly read the detailed instructions included before installing tiles. Before starting preparation, be sure to place your vinyl tile, primer, and grout in the room for 48 hours to ensure appropriate acclimation. Self-stick vinyl tiles can be installed over various types of existing subfloors, be it sheet vinyl, concrete, or plywood. The surface must be secure, smooth, and free of moisture, dust, debris, and old adhesives before proceeding any further with your installation. For installation, you will need a vacuum or a broom, a pencil, a metal ruler or carpenter's square, a tape measure, a utility knife, a chalk line, a roller, safety glasses, a 100-pound vinyl floor roller or a household rolling pin, and latex floor primer. For grouted installations, you will also need pre-mixed vinyl tile grout, a grout float, a sponge, a bucket, and 1/8 inch or 3/16 inch tile spacers. For porous subfloors, such as wood and concrete, a latex floor primer is required. Make sure the primer dries completely before installing your tiles. You are now ready to begin installing your tiles.